Why do you find it so hard to accept a compliment? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So if you're the type of person that struggles accepting compliments, but some people struggle so much with accepting compliments, and they always feel like when someone gives you a compliment, you always think they're just being kind, or you ultimately feel pressured to be able to give a compliment back, or you don't believe them, you brush it off like you didn't hear it. It's important to really dig deep down and think about why you may not really like compliments. It's something that a lot of people struggle with. Think about the last time someone paid you a compliment and think about what came to your mind. Did you immediately think, oh well, they're just being too nice? Or if someone says, oh, I really like your shoes, and then immediately you think, wait, I need to find something to compliment them so that it's even, we're an even ground. Or you try and almost downplay that compliment and point out and counteract it with something negative about yourself. It's usually a sign of imposter syndrome, where you feel like you're not good enough, where you feel like, sometimes we struggle with compliments because there's so many other underlying issues. It's not something as simple as, oh, I don't know how to accept a compliment, or deeper than that. Sometimes it's like trust issues, where you feel like they're only saying that so they can get something out of you. They're just calling you pretty because they want something out of you, or they're just sweet talking you, or it's not possible, or like they're just being nice, or they're finding a way to get what they want. It's important to realize that when you accept yourself for fully who you are, you're not blind. You know when you're good looking, you know when you're great, you know your skills. So why should you downplay your skills? Why should you downplay your achievement? You should be able to fully accept them and be like, yeah, I know what I'm capable of. I'm not saying be big-headed, but there's a difference between knowing who you are, being confident in yourself, and when people recognize that, knowing that, yes, I'm great. Usually people that struggle with accepting compliments is because they feel like they're undeserving of those compliments. They feel like there's someone prettier than them, or there's someone working harder than them, or people will soon realize what you're liking. The truth is, you're perfect the way you are. You're great the way you are. It feels good when someone recognizes you for who you are and for what you stand for what you have to offer. Don't be scared to accept a compliment. Don't be scared to take in a compliment. If someone compliments you, you shouldn't feel like you have to reciprocate that and say something else back to them. Then at that point, it's not a meaningful compliment, because you're only saying it back to them so you can get the attention of yourself. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is having confidence within yourself, and having confidence in yourself meaning accepting yourself for who you are, accepting that people will compliment your achievements, and being able to take them. You deserve them. You work so hard. You're not any less than anyone else. You're enough. You shouldn't criticize yourself because you don't believe in yourself. Usually people that struggle with accepting compliments is because they don't believe in themselves. They don't believe that they're doing well. They don't believe in their strengths. They don't believe in their efforts. So you have to believe in yourself, and it's more than just a compliment. If you struggle with maybe accepting a compliment, why not just say thank you and leave it at that? Don't feel like you have to then quickly find something else or shy away or distract. Just say thank you. Or if you feel like you really have to say something back, then just elaborate, like, oh, thank you for recognizing that, I appreciate it, or whatever it may be, so that you don't constantly criticize yourself. You have to watch everything that you're doing. Yes, it's a compliment, but how are you accepting it? How are you taking it in? Also, in the same breath, you shouldn't let compliments get to your head to the point where you're getting cocky. So it's about having a balance between the two. Accepting a compliment, being confident in yourself, and knowing that you deserve all the praise that you're getting. You're not any less. You're working hard. If you're working hard to get things, then why would you downplay yourself when people recognize your hard work? So the next time someone pays you a compliment, just say thank you, I appreciate that. It's as simple as that. And don't walk off trying to criticize yourself, because that would not make you the best version of yourself. That won't make you progress. The more you progress, the more people will compliment you. The more you do well, the more people will praise you. You'd also be able to deal with the people that mean what they say. Don't take away your confidence. Don't feel like you're less than you should be. Don't feel like you're undeserving of a compliment. You deserve every little one. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know which compliments that you had trouble accepting and how you've come to accepting those compliments. And I'll see you in my next one.